Managing money has always been tricky, but AI is making it easier than ever. In 2025, AI-driven financial apps are evolving at lightning speed. These tools do the heavy lifting from categorizing transactions to predicting spending habits, so you don't have to. If you're tired of manually crunching numbers or struggling to stick to a budget, AI can streamline the entire process. In this video, we will explore how to use AI-powered tools to take control of your finances effortlessly. The video is going to be interesting, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more future updates. Let's get into the video. Why AI-powered budgeting is the future. AI budgeting apps are no longer just about tracking expenses. They're evolving into full-fledged financial assistants. With machine learning and real-time analytics, these tools can predict future spending, detect wasteful habits, and even offer smart saving suggestions. The best part? They keep improving as they learn from your spending behavior. Unlike traditional budgeting methods, AI adapts to lifestyle changes, ensuring you stay financially secure. As banks and fintech companies invest more in AI, the future of money management is becoming more automated. Automatic expense tracking, say goodbye to manual entries. Gone are the days of logging every purchase manually. AI-driven apps can now sync with your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically categorizing your expenses. Whether you're buying groceries, paying bills, or dining out, these tools organize everything for you in real time. Apps like Mint, YNAB, and Clio use AI to analyze your spending patterns, flag unnecessary expenses, and even warn you about potential overspending. With AI handling the tracking, you'll always know where your money is going without lifting a finger. Smart budgeting, a personalized approach. Traditional budgeting methods often fail because they're too rigid. AI-powered budgeting tools, however, create customized budgets based on your income, habits, and goals. These apps analyze past transactions, set spending limits, and adjust automatically as your financial situation changes. If you overspend in one category, AI can suggest where to cut back to stay on track. AI-powered savings plans build wealth effortlessly. Saving money is tough, but AI makes it effortless. Automated savings tools like Digit and Capital analyze your cash flow and spending habits to determine how much you can safely set aside. These apps then transfer small amounts into savings without affecting your daily budget. Some AI systems even round up purchases to the nearest dollar and deposit the change into a savings account. Over time, these small contributions add up, helping you build wealth passively. Financial goal setting, AI keeps you on track. Setting financial goals is easy. Sticking to them is the hard part. AI budgeting tools act as your financial coach, setting realistic targets based on your income and expenses. Want to pay off debt faster? AI can suggest the best repayment strategy. Planning for a big purchase? AI will help you allocate funds accordingly. These tools track your progress in real time and adjust recommendations to ensure you stay on course. AI-driven investment management, make your money work for you. Investing used to require deep financial knowledge, but AI-powered robo-advisors now make it accessible to everyone. Apps like Wealthfront and Betterment analyze market trends and recommend personalized investment strategies based on your risk tolerance and goals. AI can automatically rebalance your portfolio, reinvest dividends, and even suggest tax-saving opportunities. The result? A hands-off investment approach that maximizes your returns with minimal effort. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, AI ensures your money is always working for you. Fraud detection and security, AI protects your finances. With cyber threats on the rise, AI-powered security features are more crucial than ever. AI-driven banking tools can detect suspicious transactions instantly, flagging potential fraud before it drains your account. These systems analyze spending patterns and alert you to any unusual activity. Some even use biometric authentication like facial recognition and fingerprint scanning for extra security. By leveraging AI, banks and fintech companies are making online transactions safer, ensuring your hard-earned money stays protected. AI-powered financial coaching, personalized money advice. Imagine having a financial advisor available 24/7. AI makes that possible. virtual financial assistants like Clio and Wallet A, I provide real-time money tips, helping you make smarter financial decisions. Whether it's advising on impulse purchases, suggesting ways to save, or reminding you about upcoming bills, these AI tools act as personal finance coaches. They even use gamification to keep you engaged, turning budgeting into a fun, rewarding experience. With AI guiding your financial journey, managing money feels less like a chore and more like a game. That's all for today. Like and share the video and tell us in the comment section which one is your favorite player. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.